This is a new 2015 Ford Explorer. It's powered by four-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include digital audio input and auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, a spoiler, power seats, roof rails, cruise control, keyless entry. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, curtain head airbags, side airbags, second and third row airbags, independent suspension, brake assist. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Coles Parkway Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 13779 Noblewood Plaza, Woodbridge, Virginia 22193.